Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Dirtydog 4x4 sunscreens for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. One of the coolest features of owning a Gladiator is that it's the only available mid-size truck on the market with a removable top. The last thing you want for you and your passengers after spending a great day in your Jeep, whether that's headed to the beach or spending time out on the trails, is to come home with a painful sunburn. With a set of Dirtydog 4x4 sunscreens installed on your JT, that's something you're not going to have to worry about. They block up to 70% of the sun's harmful UV rays, and they help to eliminate any harsh glare coming from the sun, especially when it's directly overhead. They're made from a very durable PVC-coated nylon mesh, and they're available in multiple different colors for you, so there's sure to be one to either complement or accent your Gladiator perfectly. One of the features I really like about Dirtydog 4x4 sunscreens are just how quickly and easily they attach to the roll bar in your Gladiator using the built-in straps and buckles. And by going with straps over elastic shock cords, it means that they're not going to wear out and stretch over time. They're always going to maintain a constant level of tension for your screens, even after they've been installed for longer periods of time. They feature reinforced stitching around the entire perimeter of the screen, as well as at each strap location. It's a simple two-piece design. We've got one sunscreen for our front seat and a second sunscreen for the rear seat area. The screen up front attaches using one strap that slips right between your windshield and visors, a second right here in the center, and a third that wraps around the B-pillar. Now for the rear sunscreen, another feature that I really like that Dirtydog 4x4 has included are these 6 clips, 3 that attach per side using the existing fasteners that hold the plastic trim to your roll bar. By running the straps over top of the sport bar, through those clips and then back up over the outside, it's going to increase the amount of headroom for our rear seat passengers. It does this by keeping the screen all the way at the top of the roll bar rather than allowing it to settle down at about the midpoint. With that rear seat set just a bit higher in the Gladiator than the front seats, any additional headroom for your rear seat passengers is going to be very welcome. If you do have the Dirtydog 4x4 roll bar covers installed, well, you'll simply omit the use of those clips and wrap the straps right around the sport bar like you did up front, only losing a very minor amount of headroom for that rear seat area. The sunscreens are designed to be compatible with both hardtop or soft top equipped Gladiators. If you've got a soft top and you're ready to close it up, you can leave the sunscreens right in place. If you're going to be reinstalling your hardtop on your Jeep, you will need to remove those sunscreens first. If you guys want to get more information or to purchase a set of Dirtydog 4x4 sunscreens for your JT, you can click that info button and head over to Quadratec.com. Now, of course, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. And as always, if you have any comments or questions about the sunscreens or how to get them installed on your Gladiator, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.